Hi, this is Tom with BV Security, your security camera experts. Today we're going to be talking about PoE switches and going over a very specific spec that it can be super confusing if you aren't in this industry. Now, when you look for a PoE switch, you're going to see a string of numbers associated with that. It's 802.3 AT or 802.3 AF. What does that mean? Well, hopefully we're going to put this all together in a nice, easy package that'll help you answer that question by the end of the video. At first glance, it can be really easy to miss the difference between these two specs. There's only one letter different. And there's so much other jargon to have to understand when we talk about security equipment, PoE switches, cameras. But what happens if you pick the wrong one? You might be sitting there scratching your head wondering, why aren't my cameras coming on? Why aren't my phones powering up? So let's talk about what the actual difference is. We could get here and go into the whole history of power and communication standards. That's gonna be really long, it's gonna be really boring, and you'll probably have more questions than when we started. So let's just talk about the real difference. Power. With 802.3 AF, what we call standard PoE, you get 15.4 watts of power delivered to each port. With 802.3 AT, or what we sometimes refer to as PoE Plus, you get 25.5 watts per power per port. All right, so that's the difference. But what do those numbers mean? If you're powering up a basic device, you probably only need PoE. Things like your voice over IP phones, wireless access points, fixed lens security cameras, they don't really require that much power. If you have devices that require higher power and you get a regular PoE switch, they're not going to come on. That's when we want to look at PoE Plus. So for things like video phones, PTZ cameras, access control equipment, and other networking devices, PoE is just not going to cut it. You need PoE Plus or 802.3 AT. If you're totally unsure of what to get, that's fine. If you want to err on the side of caution, just look for a device marked with PoE Plus or 802.3 AT. If you plug in a device that doesn't require that much power, modern PoE switches know to just not send enough power. By going this route, you also ensure that any devices you add in the future aren't going to be a problem. Now, if you're looking to save a few dollars, then you want to make sure you get the right exact device. You probably only need standard PoE on your most common devices. This can save you a few dollars over the long run. So, hopefully that clears some things up for you. If not, remember, you can always contact us. We're here to help. Again, this has been Tom from BV Security. Thanks for watching.